Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and media so nothing interrupts the session. Insert fresh batteries or a charged pack, then mount a formatted SD card. Once done, set the recorder to 48K HZ and 24-bit to balance quality and file size. This avoids clipping and preserves headroom. Make sure input gain knobs are at unity and phantom power is off until you connect condenser mics. This first pass prevents noise and ensures you can record immediately when you need to. You now set up mics and optimize levels so your recordings are clean. Connect each microphone and enable plus 48V phantom power only for condensers. Dynamic mics don't need it. Once connected, use headphones and slowly raise gain while watching meters until peaks hit about -12 dBFS to leave safety margin. If you expect loud transients, flip the pad to reduce input by 10 or 20 dB. Make sure to engage a low-cut filter for wind or vehicle rumble to prevent muddy low end. You're ready to record and confirm everything works before committing to long takes. Arm the tracks, record short test takes, and listen back through headphones at normal and louder volumes to catch distortion or noise. Once satisfied, record your session, label files, and note timecodes for quick edits later. Back up immediately when practical. If you encounter clipping or unexpected noise, stop, lower the gain, receipt cables, and check phantom power. These steps solve most problems quickly so you can resume with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.